Hello friends. Now this is the lecture number 15, unit number 1, electrical power 1. Now in this lecture, we here discuss the concept of skin effect. What is meant by skin effect? When the conductor is carrying a steady state direct DC current. So this current is uniformly distributed over the whole length of the cross section of the conductor. Means suppose we have to consider one conductor. This is the front view or side view of the conductor. Suppose DC current is flowing through this conductor, then that time the current are uniformly distributed over the overall conductor cross section area. But suppose current is flowing through the conductor is supposed to be AC current. What is the AC current? Then that time conductor current is only flowing through the near the surface of the conductor. Internally, there is no any current flowing through the conductor. Such a effect is called as the surface or skin effect. And when the DC current is flowing through the overall cross sectional area of the conductor, that time the conductor size is also required small for the large current flowing. For the large current flowing into the AC conductor, that time size of the conductor must be required large because current is only flowing through the surface of the conductor. That's why effective area of the AC conductor is only surface of the conductor. That's why surface of the conductor must be required more for the flowing through the high alternating current. So uh, flowing through the conductor. Now similarly, what is the however the alternating current flowing through the conductor does not distribute uniformly rather than it has the tendency to concentrate near the surface of the conductor. Means conductor current is flowing through the surface of the conductor. So this is known as the skin effect. Means in short, what is meant by skin effect? The tendency of alternating current to concentrate near the surface of the conductor is known as the skin effect. Called as the skin effect. Okay. So if current is flowing through the conductor, that current is supposed to be AC current, then that time only current is flowing through the surface of the conductor, known as the skin effect. Why current is flowing through the surface of the conductor? Due to the skin effect, effective area of the cross section of the conductor through which current flow is reduced. Means effectively area of conductor is reduced because of the due to the skin effect, the effective area of the cross section of the conductor through which current is flow is reduces because the effective area of cross section of conductor why is reduces because of skin effect. Current is only flowing through the surface of the conductor. That's why only effective area is surface of the conductor due to the skin effect. Consequently, the resistance of the conductor is slightly increased when the carrying a alternating current. The cause of the skin effect can be easily examined. म्हणजे आता कंडक्टर मधून करंट कुठून फ्लो होता है सरफेस ऑफ द कंडक्टर दैट्स व्हाई इफेक्टिव एरिया इज ओनली surface of the conductor. It means that current flow of the current is only to the surface of the conductor means only small current is flowing through the single current carrying conductor means resistance of the conductor is increases due to the skin effect. Due to the skin effect, resistance of the conductor is increases. So a solid conductor may be through to be consisting of the large number of strands, each carrying a small part of the current. The inductance of the each strand will carry according to its position. So the inductance of the each strand will carry according to its position. The strand near the center are surrounded by the greater magnetic flux and hence have the large inductance and then that the near of the surface. Suppose we have to consider that conductor is made up of large number of small conductors. Suppose suppose each conductor is carrying a current and each conductor carrying current means there is the each conductor carrying a current means each conductor causes the magnetic flux across each conductor. Similarly, suppose for simplicity we have to consider that Suppose this is the conductor, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and internal is 6. So suppose we have to consider another color for the flux linkages in the conductor. Each strand of the conductor, strand means small conductor. Suppose one cable is made up from the number of strands. So each current flowing through the each strand, the magnetic flux of lines are flow overall through the each strand due to the current flowing through the each strand. Similarly, in this strand, in this strand, similarly in this strand, in this strand, similarly in this strand, in this strand, magnetic flux of line, magnetic flux of line, magnetic flux of line. So middle conductor is totally cut the magnetic flux by the remaining strands of the conductor. That means the large number of inductance is produces in the center of the conductor. That means the opposition of the current to the middle center of conductor is more as compared to the surrounded conductor, because magnetic flux of lines cut the middle conductor, means middle portion of the conductor crosses link with the more number of magnetic flux of line. That means inductance of middle conductor is increases. Inductance increases means current decreases. That's why only current is flowing through the surrounding portion of the surface of the conductor near of the and center of the conductor not allow the flow of the current because of the high inductive property. That's why in the AC current property, due to the AC current, in the AC current condition, only current is flowing through the surface of the conductor or stand surrounded near the conductor surface, and stand which is near inside or center of the conductor not allow the flow of the current due to the large number of magnetic flux linkages due to the surrounded conductor. The high reactance of the inner stand causes and the alternating current to flow near the surface of the conductor. This crowding of the current near the conductor surface is the skin effect. So due to the crowding of the current near the surface of the conductor is also called as a skin effect, or current flowing through the near the surface of the conductor is called as a skin effect. The high reactance of the inner stand means inner stand inductance is increases, means reactive property is also increases for the inner conductor due to the surrounded conductor. That's why the current is not flowing through the inner conductor as compared with the outer conductor, and this is only possible in the AC side of the conductor. In the DC side there is the no any flux linkages, because of the DC there is the no any flux, and the flux is the uniform flux, and there is the no any mutual flux linkages or alternating flux linkages into the DC line. So what are the skin effect? What are the skin effect depends on following factor. First, nature of the material. Obviously, which type of the material are used to made a manufacturer of the conductor, like aluminium, copper, and each metal have their own independent resistance and resistive property. That depends on their resistive property. The current is flowing through the material of the current is flowing through that particular conductors. That's why the skin effect also depends upon the nature of material. Similarly, diameter of the wire increase with the diameter of wire. When the skin effect is increases, if the diameter of wire is increases. If small conductor and is supposed to be large conductor, the current is only flowing through the this effective area. But in the large conductor, the current is flowing through the outer surface of this conductor. That means skin effect is more in larger diameter wire as compared with the smaller diameter wire. Similarly, frequency increase with the increasing in the frequency, because inductive property is totally depend upon frequency. 2 pi f l xl inductive reactance is totally depend upon frequency. As the frequency increases, magnetic flux of line increases, and inductive reactance power is increases, means more number of flux is linkages in the inner conductor of the cable. That's why a frequency may play a male role to increase the skin effect. If frequency is more, the increase the skin effect also. Shape of the wire less for the standard conductor than the solid conductor. If solid conductor is there and conductor with the standard number of conductors may causes the small skin effect, when conductor with the small stand causes the small skin effect as compared with the single solid conductor. Because of the small solid conductor, current are uniformly distributed over all the small stands. There is a small flux linkages with independent conductor, whereas in solid conductor skin effect is more. it may be noted that the skin effect is negligible when the supply frequency is low, 50 Hz, and conductor diameter is less than 1 centimeter. Means supply frequency is supposed to be 50%, 50 Hz less than 50%, and conductor diameter is supposed to be less than 1 centimeter. Then that time skin effect is negligible or considerably effectively. We have to take the effect, small effect during the practical conditions. That's why we have to consider only frequency during the operation is less than 50%, and current conductor diameter must be a less than 1 centimeter. This is called as the skin effect. What is the reason behind that skin effect occur? For one again we have to discuss here. If conductor carrying the current and number of strands are present inside the conductor, suppose each strand causes the each strand causes supposed to be flow the current, and that's why the current flow into the each strand of the conductor causes the magnetic flux of line, each strand. That flux of lines are cutted up the inner portion of the conductors. That's why similarly that portion is also cut out, but maximum flux of line cut with the inner portion of conductor. That's why in the inner portion of conductor there is the more flux linkages. The more flux linkages, that means more inductive reactive properties occur in between two inner conductors. That's why the magnetic flux of line that's why the more resistive property means more opposition to the flow of current in inner portion of the conductor. That's why current is only flowing to the surface of the conductor. So in this way, this effect is called as the skin effect. Okay. Now, next lecture we have discussed the concept of proximity effect and the concept of the transposition of the transmission line. Thank you.